Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to simply invoke Firefox GeckoDriver. Just go to your project folder and right click, create a new class. I'm going to name it Simple GeckoDriver. Once created, right? So before that, go to this GitHub, Mozilla GeckoDriver. You need to download this driver. So once you come down right, you can see this, which version you want to use. For example, I'm using Firefox. So this is the latest version of Firefox. So click these three icons and click help and click this about. So you can see it's a 64-bit. So I need to download 64-bit. So come here, I need to download this. Once downloaded, right, you need to open this, copy this GeckoDriver. You need to extract actually, copy it. I have a folder on Selenium files. This is a library I'm maintaining. So clicking on that, I created folder drivers. Here you need to paste it. So this path you need to provide in the code, in the Selenium script. So once GeckoDriver is done, so now I need to create a main method. So inside I need to create a WebDriver instance, Firefox driver. So there is an error, so I need to import the files. Just mouse over that, you can import WebDriver as well. So now I'm telling this driver to get the URL. So simply I'm going to try with this without setting the system properties. So here to run. So the path of the driver is executable must be set by the WebDriver GeckoDriver. So it is asking me to set the system property. So now I have to set the system property before the WebDriver. System.set property. So here I need to provide that WebDriver syntax within double quotes, WebDriver.gecko.driver. So I'm closing the double quotes, and in the value I need to give the system path within double quotes. So here my GeckoDriver.exe is there, right? So I'm just copying this, copy this path, go to Eclipse and paste it here. Simple. Then /GeckoDriver.exe. This GeckoDriver.exe name you have to give in the Eclipse. So that's why I've given. And closing this. So I'm going to run this. Now run. See, now the Firefox is opening. Super cool, right? So I'm just closing this. This is the way you can implement with system.set property. On my next video, I'm going to tell how to invoke the Firefox browser without implementing the system.set property. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks in my video form. Thank you. Bye.